Welcome to Exam Sale. In this brief guide we will walk through the syllabus for the Microsoft 365 Mobility and Security exam to help you focus your study time effectively. This exam covers 3 domains with exact weights and expectations. Implement Modern Device Services carries 40% of the exam, is rated hard, has an estimated learning time of 35 hours, and is assessed with scenario-based questions. Implement Microsoft 365 Security and Threat Management carries 30%, is hard, requires about 30 hours, and uses scenario-based assessment. Manage Microsoft 365 Governance and Compliance carries 30%, is hard, is estimated at 25 hours, and includes both conceptual and scenario-based questions. The Implement Modern Device Services domain makes up 40% of the exam, is hard, and expects about 35 hours of study with scenario-based tasks. You will learn how to plan and implement device enrollment by evaluating enrollment requirements, configuring enrollment and device limit restrictions, managing corporate device identifiers, and setting up Windows, iOS, iPadOS, and Android enrollment. You will master device compliance policies by creating and managing compliance settings, configuring non-compliance notifications, building conditional access policies based on compliance, monitoring compliance status, and setting automated actions for non-compliance. You will also cover mobile application management and Windows deployment topics including planning app deployment, configuring MAM and app protection policies, managing app configurations and deployments, plus planning Windows Autopilot profiles, update rings, and co-management with Configuration Manager. The Implement Microsoft 365 Security and Threat Management domain is 30% of the exam, is graded hard, and requires around 30 hours of focused study with scenario-based assessment. You will plan and implement Microsoft Defender for Office 365 by configuring safe attachments and safe links, setting anti-phishing policies, managing quarantined items, responding to security alerts, and using threat trackers. You will learn Microsoft Defender for endpoint onboarding and protection, including endpoint detection and response, attack surface reduction rules, automated investigations and remediations, and vulnerability review. You will also cover Defender for identity sensor planning and configuration, monitoring suspicious activity, managing identity alerts and health issues, and using security dashboards, incident management, alert notifications, Microsoft Secure Score, and the Microsoft 365 Defender portal for reporting and response. The Manage Microsoft 365 Governance and Compliance domain accounts for 30% of the exam, is hard, and is estimated at 25 hours of study with combined conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will configure sensitivity labels by planning, creating and publishing labels, configuring label policies, applying labels to files and email, monitoring usage, and setting up auto-labeling. You will plan and implement data loss prevention by creating DLP policies for Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, and endpoints, reviewing DLP matches and alerts, and configuring policy tips and notifications. You will manage and analyze audit logs by configuring audit settings, searching and exporting the unified audit log, managing retention, and reviewing administrative activity. And you will plan and manage a discovery and content search by creating searches, managing standard and premium cases, placing legal holds, exporting search results, and configuring a discovery permissions. To conclude, the full exam plan totals about 90 hours of recommended study across the 3 domains and emphasizes hands-on practice and scenario-based problem solving. Focus on the key areas outlined here, use Microsoft Learn and Labs for practice, and prioritize the domain topics that align with the exam percentages to maximize your readiness.